Trimming the headrail. Tools required are a hacksaw, screwdriver, 6mm drill bit, and drill. Twist and unlock the end cap and remove from the headrail. Twist and unlock the end cord guide and slide up the headrail. Twist and lock in place. With the headrail upside down, inserting the cutting aid into the headrails to your trimming position. Using the cutting aid edge as a guide, carefully trim the headrail with a fine-toothed hacksaw, cutting through the inner bar as you do so. Remove the cutting aid. Twist and unlock the end cord guide. Reposition and relock to secure. Reposition the center cord guide if needed. Should you wish the blind to draw from the left-hand side, fixing the brackets. The brackets are designed for face or top fixing to frame, wall or ceiling. Mark through the screw holes the position for the cam supports, making sure they are level and in line. With the brackets removed, drill each bracket screw position. Using fixtures suitable for your wall type, fix brackets in place. Attaching blind to the headrail. Line up the blind and loop tape with the hook tape on the headrail and press firmly to secure the blind in place. Cording the blind. For ease of assembling, the headrail is pre-corded. Working vertically from where each cord will drop from the cord guides. Thread the cord through the pocket tape. After the last row of pocket tape, thread a hook-on cord toggle on each cord. Using an upward motion as shown, thread the hook-on cord toggle in the last row of pocket tape. Do not allow the cords to become twisted, with the blind held in a level, vertical position. Adjust the hook-on cord toggles so that equal tension is held on each and they are level. Trim any excess cord at a distance of 4 cm from the hook-on cord toggles. Do not knot the cords. Should the cords ever become detached, please ensure when replacing that they are aligned vertically and the hook-on cord toggles have equal tension on each and they are level. Hanging the headrail. With the cam supports in the unlocked position, mount the headrail onto the supports by resting the front lip of the headrail onto the front of the supports. Secure by sliding the lever on the cam supports into the locked position. Converting to left-hand draw. Twist to unlock the end cover and remove. Unscrew and slide out the pulley housing to access the small grub screw. Loosen the screw to release the pulley housing. Slide the pulley housing onto opposite end of the shaft and secure with grub screw. Slide pulley housing into the headrail. Twist and unlock the spindles and reposition if required. Secure pulley housing with small screw underneath. Slide the end cover into the opposite end and twist and lock to secure. Reinstalling the connect pulley housing release wheel. This Roman blind is installed with a connect pulley housing, which releases the cord chain in the event of a child becoming entangled. Should the cord chain be released, please follow these instructions carefully before reinstalling. Children can be strangled if the connect pulley housing is not properly installed. Use of safety devices helps reduce the risk of strangulation, but cannot be considered entirely foolproof. Place the cord chain around the pulley wheel on the side with the screw head. Holding the cord chain in place, position the cog side of the pulley wheel into the inner side of the connect pulley housing with one green spot. Make sure the green spot on the center of the release wheel is to the top when inserting. Press the pulley wheel firmly into the housing until it clicks into place. Please note, the cord chain must be at least 60 cm from the floor.